You know what your actual problem is? It's not that you're lazy, or you can't focus, or you procrastinate a lot. All of these are surface-level problems, but the main problem is that you're interested in too many goddamn things. You want to start a side hustle, or pick up a guitar, or dive into coding. Then it hits you. Why not start a business? Photography sounds dope too. Editing videos could be fun. And yeah, you might want to hit the gym, get jacked. Who knows? Maybe even go all the way and try being a pro athlete or something. And everyone's telling you to pick one thing and master it. So you try. You pick something. You go hard for 3 months. Then you see some other shiny thing and you're like, yeah, this is it. This is my calling. And the cycle repeats until you're 25 years old, good at nothing, making no money, and wondering where the fuck it all went wrong. Here's what you actually need to do. Let me tell you about my life for a second, because I'm the poster child for this bullshit. I tried guitar. Took me forever because I was too broke to afford classes. Finally got to intermediate level, and then I was like, nah, boring. I still play my guitar whenever I am in the mood. I bought some email marketing course when I was 19 or 20, spent actual money on it, did it for a few months, stopped, money wasted. I tried to become a video editor, a photographer, a fucking image manipulator in Photoshop. At one point, I was reading too much manga and thought, yeah, I should become an artist. Bought a drawing tablet. I used it for a few months, spent money on drawing applications, and now those apps are collecting dust. When I was like 17, I got into gaming, like hardcore. I practiced 6 hours a day trying to become an esports player, because that was obviously a smart career move, especially when you are broke and barely can afford a decent graphics card. I even studied accountancy, worked at an accounting firm. Then I said fuck accounting and started preparing for bank exams to become a bank manager. Then realized halfway through I don't even give a shit about banking. Oh, and I wanted to be a nomad too, you know? Laptop lifestyle, travel the world, work from cafes. So I left my house and started living in different places. Burned through all my money visiting random cities, pretending to be some digital nomad influencer. It turned out I was just broke and homeless with a laptop. I also wanted to become an international pickup artist at some point. Yeah, don't ask too much about it. And the gym? I've been lifting for a couple of years now. Wanted to become a fitness coach, a nutritionist, got the knowledge, never did anything with it. You see the pattern here? I'm good at like 10 different things. And for the longest time, that felt like a curse, because I couldn't stick with one thing. I'd get good enough to see progress, then my brain would be like, okay, cool, what's next? And I spent years thinking I was broken, like something was wrong with me. If you are going through a similar situation, then let me tell you something. You don't have a passion problem, but you do have a strategy problem. The reality is that the world is designed for NPCs who pick one thing at 18 and do it for 40 years. Whatever career you choose, just make sure to pick your cage and stay in it. That works great if your brain is wired like a fucking robot. But if you're like me, if you're someone who gets interested in shit and then moves on, the system makes you feel like a failure. You've heard all of these things like, you just need to find your passion, you need to commit, stop being so scattered. You know what, bro? Fuck that. The problem isn't that you have too many interests. The problem is, you're treating all of them like they need to become your career, and that's the trap. So, here's what I finally did that actually helped me. I looked at all the shit I tried. Guitar, video editing, photography, gaming, accounting, fitness, nomad life, all of it. And I asked myself one brutal question. Which one of these can actually make me more money? Not which one I'm most passionate about. Not which one sounds the coolest when I tell people about it. Which one can pay my fucking bills and get me out of this broke cycle? For me, it was content creation. Making videos, writing scripts, running multiple channels, understanding what makes people click. Online business. Not because I loved it more than guitar, or gaming, or traveling. Because it was the one thing where I could see a clear path from learning this to getting paid for this. So I made a decision that felt wrong at the time, but was the smartest thing I ever did. And here's the rule I followed. 80% of my productive time goes to the thing that makes money. 20% goes to everything else that keeps me human. Let me break that down, because most people hear this and still fuck it up. If you have 2 hours a day for productive work, actual focused work where you're building something, 90 minutes go to your main thing. For me, that meant learning how to script better, how to edit faster, how to make thumbnails that don't look like shit, how to understand what actually gets views, and how to run faceless channels. Believe me, it's not that fun. Still, I just focused on the mechanics of the skill that pays. The other 30 minutes? Guitar, gym, reading, gaming, whatever keeps me from wanting to jump off a bridge. Those other interests, they're not dead, they're not abandoned, they're not failures, they're just hobbies now. And hobbies are allowed to be hobbies. The internet will tell you to monetize your passion, and turn every hobby into a side hustle. That's how you ruin the things you actually enjoy doing. I play guitar because it's fun, because it clears my head, not because I'm trying to become a guitar teacher or start some music channel. I go to the gym because it keeps me from spiraling into a depressive hole, not because I'm building a fitness coaching empire. I read books because I like reading, not because I'm trying to become some book review influencer. Let some shit just exist for you. Not everything needs to be productive. When you give one thing 80% of your focus for 6 months to a year, something weird happens. You actually get good at it. You become competent enough that people will pay you for it. You go from I'm interested in video editing to I can edit a video that people will watch start to finish. From I think marketing is cool to I can run ads that convert. From I want to learn coding to I can build something people will use. And once you're making money from that one thing, everything changes. You're not stressed about bills anymore. You're not wondering if you made the right choice. You're not broke. And then, here's the beautiful part. You can actually explore your other interests from a position of strength. You want to learn Japanese now? Cool. You have money for courses. You want to try that van life thing? You can afford it because your main skill pays remotely. You want to pick up photography again? Buy a decent camera instead of using your phone. But you only get there by going hard on one thing first. Giving 20% attention to 5 different things means you're mediocre at all of them. Giving 80% attention to one thing and 20% to keeping yourself sane means you actually build something real. Let me be real with you. If you keep doing what you're doing right now, you're going to be 30 years old still, trying to figure out what you're passionate about. Still jumping from thing to thing. Still broke. Still telling yourself, I just need to find the right thing. You won't, because the right thing isn't out there waiting to be discovered. It's whatever you commit to long enough to get good at. I wasted years doing this, jumping between interests, never committing, always looking for the next shiny thing. The people you see who seem to do everything, they didn't start that way. They built one thing first, got good at it, made money, then they expanded. You're not behind. Your brain works differently, and that's fine, but you do need to make a choice about what gets your focus for the next year, not forever, just for now. Here's what you're going to do right now. Grab a piece of paper or open your notes app or whatever. Write down all your interests, everything you want to learn or do. Then pick the one thing that's going to be your main focus for the next 6 to 12 months. Not because it's your passion, because it can make money and you don't hate it, then actually fucking stick to it. So that's it for today. If you're new here, subscribe. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for all the love and support. See you in the next video. Bye.